So this is a brief introduction and overview of the ESOL strategy, use of home language for instruction. I've chosen grade level 6, content area, algebra, and these lessons are geared for pre-production and early production stage L's. I have two different worksheets that I've set up. I have a math worksheet that has a matching exercise on it, and then I have a vocabulary definition sheet in which I would be giving a vocabulary test on. And what I've done is I created a math worksheet. I have directions in English and then translated into Hungarian. In the matching exercise, I have 3 columns. The first column is blank. The second column has an equation on it that is translated into Hungarian. And then the third column is the matching corresponding answers that the students are to find. And I have the numbers with the Hungarian translation after it. At the bottom of a page, I've left it blank so that the students can work out the equations there. This is also a modified lesson. I only have 7 equations on the worksheet so that a normal worksheet would be about 25, 30 questions. So this has been scaled back to not make the students feel so overwhelmed with the amount of work. The materials needed for this exercise would be a computer, internet access, and a printer to print off the worksheets. The students themselves would need a pen or a pencil, and if they would like, they could use a calculator. For the definitions on my vocabulary worksheet, I have those from dictionary.com. So the strategy, though, of the use of home language for instruction is assisting in comprehension through translation to the native L1. The students can see the English written and then the translation comparison, and then that way they can refer back to the translated material and see the English the English written and then the translation. So these are my 2 worksheets. The first one is the matching exercise. I have the directions at the top, followed by the Hungarian translation. The blank column where the corresponding letter goes to the equation with the translated words, and then the answers with the translations. And then here on my vocabulary exercise, I have the English word followed by that same word translated into Hungarian. I have the definition that then is followed by the Hungarian definition. And these are just basic math words that all students should know, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, variable, and fraction. So that is a brief overview of the strategy of use of home language for instruction. It's pretty easy to do. It didn't really take me that long. I was able to sit down and just type the stuff up, put it into Google Translate, and then print it out. And if you were in the position of being a pre-production or early production L, this could help you out tremendously.